Verbal diarrhea, so he doesn't let you sleep. Ricky approves. Marriage is turbulence.
RCR, brain not brainy.
We are Chennai leaving top 2. And next Dharamshala, good fun happening. Travel very much long. But stay in the present, don't think too far ahead much. Suryash, long day travel, what do? You do. Everyone boring answer. English vlog only. We have
I
English.
downloaded a couple of games, offline games, I see time pass.
What time pass you did? What
You know-
game?
You know this game?
Spill the beans. Oh, English. Spill the beans.
Oh, you know this game Crossy Road? Have you ever played that?
Crossy Road. Know anyone? No?
So it's fun. Actually, you just have to tap and move around.
Okay.
And
Done. Everyone Crossy Road download and play. Long travel hai aaj. Yash. What are you used for the travel today? Too much long.
मैं पहली थक गया हूँ.
English talk please.
Only English talk,
Yeah, my viewers English talking.
but I don't know English.
Try to be English.
I do English.
Yeah.
I'm very much tired
Just not starting yet.
because of journey only.
Journey thinking.
Thinking journey only.
Thinking journey 12 hours.
12 hours.
Too much tiredness in the boys cause sleep only happened to be 5 hours. And this is for all my fans in UK and Canada and Melbourne and कौन सी country होती है?
DDL दीवार.
USA and Australia and और कोई country तो नहीं होती ना? India as well, English little bit. So yeah. So Vaishak, Biodog specialist.
अरे भाई हो गया.
What is the view of a travel long today?
Quite a tiring day for us.
It is not started yet. How can it be tiring?
It will be.
It will be
Quite a
tiring.
tiring day.
Okay, we can see your Rolex.
No, it's not Rolex. It's Sasti wala Rolex.
Okay. Looking like a very much richness.
Like.
मेरा
सो रहा है.
Kuldeep Sen, very busy man, always on the phone using Snapchat. Unlike me, I never use Snapchat. अरे फूल नीचे रख. Travel plans. क्या करता है travel में?
Travel में song.
English bro, English bro.
So I just hear little bit song of Karan Aujla and all the Punjabi singers. And sometime talking with my dad about cricket.
Flight में how talking dad?
Not in the flight.
In the flight talking.
Okay. In the flight, I'm just trying to hear the song and just sleep.
Just sleep.
And just waiting for a food or something.
Sleep on Pila's lap.
Yeah, Pila sleep.
Yeah.
Pila is my favorite person.
Okay.
Thank you. Cheers.
I am traveling Nehal Vadera with long travel incoming, but thinking.
Thinking what do 3 hour long flight,
English matching.
board, yeah, very much matching. 3
What-
hour
What
spend
movie?
now.
What movie watching you? Thinking.
Malegaon Super Boys watching me.
Malegaon Super Boys. Super Boys.
Yeah, watching me.
Malegaon Super Boys watching you.
Yeah.
Good English. Understand everyone? Subtitle needed. Okay. One more passenger with me today. Marco yaar.
Marco, yeah.
Marco too much important.
Brain not brainy.
Important.
RCR, brain not brainy.
Brain not brainy. Marco, important question. Long travel, what thinking, what do?
Long travel, no thinking, lot of sleep. Lot of Netflix for worry. And
Netflix, what watching?
I don't know, worry, what you watching?
Malegaon Super Boy.
Malaga Super Boys. And then Marco watching YouTube.
Marco watching YouTube and lot of sleep. And me can't do anything because Snapchat not allowed. Flying.
What's your travel routine? What you do in travel? One glass scotch. just before I got on the plane. Very nervous about this one. Then doze off sleep. I hope so on this one. No flights, no movies, nothing. Not this one. I'm too sweaty on this one. I'm just worried about the landing. Worried about the landing. Yeah.
I thought today travel record because going Dharamshala, but morning flight, everyone sleeping, no one alive, everyone dead, and no recording. So less minute content, only 2-3 people up. But what I record this face recording not allowed. What about the backward? Backward. What about backward? Backward face allowed? Backward face. Man. So everyone sleeping, no recording. Let's see landing maybe little later. See after. अब क्योंकि हमें जहाज से उतरना था, sorry English. So now taking off from airplane. Taking off होता है?
Private jet, bro.
Getting down aeroplane
Private jet.
with Shashank from Spain.
From Spain, yeah, that's true.
So still very much time to Dharamshala.
Yeah,
What
bro.
thinking?
Just relaxing, enjoying, recovering from the last match. Some good filling, took 2 catches on your bowling.
Yeah, fumbling.
Whatever that is. That is called catch, right?
Catch is a catch.
Yeah, that's a catch, yeah.
Catch win match.
Catches win match, that's true.
So you-
2 difficult catches yesterday.
Too much noisy.
Vikram Baji, too much now.
हाँ? ये उड़ाता। अब आप सो के जंगलों में। बाजी, what you do travel?
Me?
Yeah.
Sleeping and sleeping.
But you are standing. How sleeping?
Next flight I will sleep.
You sleeping.
Yeah, very good sleeping. Very much needed. With kratas.
Very much needed with the Karatas. And Shashank from Spain says, see you later.
See ya.
किसका चश्मा लिया हुआ?
Ricky,
Yes, sir.
what are your travel plans?
My travel plans.
Yeah.
I'm getting on a 50-seater flight now to go to Dharamshala.
And what
When
will
I
you do?
leave the IPL, when we've won the trophy, I'm going to go to the US for a few weeks, coaching over there.
In business, of course.
Maybe. What about you?
And right now, what will you do in the flight to Dharamshala?
Drink coffee. Try and
So you
try
won't
and sleep. I'll try to sleep.
After
I
drinking
don't like
coffee?
these small. I don't like the small planes. Do you like the small planes?
I don't like, but I like turbulence. It's like life.
You like it?
It's like life.
No, I don't like turbulence. Ask Bra. He said it's like marriage.
His marriage is turbulence.
Like up and down.
Ricky approves. Marriage is turbulence. Perfect. Bati, long travel incoming. What thinking?
Lots of movies.
Lots of movies.
Yeah,
What kind of?
Hard to say.
Marcus, what's your plan for travel?
Sleep, coffee.
Coffee and sleep. How?
Coffee first, and then I'll get sleep.
Don't coffee run sleep away.
I'm a bit gassy as well, so I'll probably go do some farts.
Harpreet, you are planning.
Wife luggage, pick up, go.
Wife luggage, pick up, go, and whatever she wants to eat, order. Perfect planning. Praise bhai. Travel, what you do?
Travel, what I do?
Yeah. When travel?
When travel, where travel?
When travel, like today,
Yeah.
what you do?
When travel, I do talking, I do listening music,
Okay.
and I do masti with one Spanish boy in our team.
Spanish, Shashank.
Yeah, Shashank Singh.
Today lot of sleeping.
Today,
Tiredness happening?
because he's a, verbal diarrhea. Yeah, he's verbal diarrhea, so he doesn't let you sleep.
What happened when travel mountain?
Mountain sickness.
What happened? What is that?
You feel dizzy, you can feel nauseous, you can feel funny.
You feel nonsense.
Nobody throw
forward. So
Yeah.
if there's a passenger sitting in front of you, throw up.
Yeah,
It's okay. I am in number
Probably
one, so
hit him.
yeah.
number one vomit would be me.
You would get vomited by.
Okay, give me a bag. I'll catch everything.
Done. We'll do
And
it.
what you do for that?
You have to take motion sickness tablets in a bag. And a bag.
Motion sickness tablet. Okay, coming Dharamshala, if car or bus, motion sickness tablet, very important. Or orange, what do you call it? Orange
Citric.
tablets.
Vitamin C tablet.
Vitamin C as well you can carry. Okay, take care from doctor. Whenever we come to Dharamshala, we travel in small buses because rasta small, can't go big bus. And today I am the conductor. आज मेरी responsibility है. Oh, English vlog. Sorry. Whenever Dharamshala, small bus is coming because very small rasta. What is rasta in English? Very small road, turning too much, and today conductor I'll be cutting tickets and making people sit in the bus, and we reach Radisson in 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Need for speed. Okay. So you got the details, what all happened when we travel, and now we are here in Dharamshala. And yes, have fun, enjoy the video. Come in huge numbers if you're here around in Dharamshala. Wear red, wear Punjab Kings jerseys. Support us. We'll give you a lot of reasons to celebrate. And what else? English finish. But let's enjoy our 10-day stay here in Dharamshala. I'll keep you updated. Bye bye. Take care.